Today we have a video from Florida State Body Cam, and the title of the video is Busted for DUI, Cape Coral, Florida.
Hello, Officer Allen, Cape Coral Police Department. The reason why I pulled you over is you were swerving all over the roadway, and then when you went to turn onto Coronado, you didn't even use the turning lane.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Driver's license, registration, insurance? Where are you coming from?
Downtown.
Like, downtown, like...
Fort Myers, downtown.
Okay. Do you have your registration, insurance? Where are you headed?
Here's...
Melanie?
That's my registration. Oh, wait. This is my registration.
Okay. Where are you headed?
To my friend's house. I just met them.
Okay. Do you have your insurance?
Is it one of them or no?
No.
No, it isn't? Okay. I have Progressive for insurance.
Okay.
It's through my mom, so...
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 22. This is
You need your
Progressive.
card? It should, has your expiration date and everything on it?
Alright, it's through my mom's account, so I'm not 100% sure. Let me see.
You got anything to drink tonight?
Just a little bit, yes.
Okay.
I'm not fucked up though. I can perfectly drive.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. See, with all these extra questions, you don't have to answer these questions. They're just fishing to see what they can get out of you. Like when they ask you, obviously provide proof of insurance and, license, registration, proof of insurance, all that stuff is fine and dandy. But when they ask, where are you coming from? Where are you going? Have you been drink? All of that stuff, you don't have to answer none of that. You know what I'm saying? And, some officers may get mad, but you don't. Even if you're not doing anything wrong, it's none of their business. That's not, here you go. Anything pertaining to this stop, I'll answer. But all of that, I don't, and that's what it is, what I'm saying? So.
Is this my auto account here?
Yeah, maybe if you click on it. Yep, we'll see what that does. Click on the ID card. Which says ID card?
Right here?
Yep. Oh no, up one. Or skip. Perfect. Okay, hang tight, I'll be right back. Possibly a signal one. I'm gonna pull her out. She was swerving all over the roadway. She didn't use the turn lane when she went onto Coronado. She's got some slurred speech. I can still smell some alcohol coming from the car, and she admitted that she'd been drinking. So,
And that's really the main thing, because if she did smell alcohol, whatever. But really, she already admitted to drinking.
Melanie, I'm gonna have you turn the car off and step out for a minute.
Yeah, of course.
You can just leave your things in there. We're gonna sit back here and talk.
That's fine.
We'll be right back here. Okay. You just stand here with us, officer, for 1 second.
Yeah,
Okay,
you can see it in her eyes.
Some signs of impairment. I know you said that you've had some to drink, but you're not fucked up. So what I would like for you to do is to perform some standardized field sobriety evaluations to dispel my fear that you are impaired or not impaired enough so that you can drive this vehicle safely somewhere, okay?
I'm 3 minutes away from my destination from home, so... Okay.
Are you willing to participate in this evaluation?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great, okay. So what I want you to do is just put your feet together.
Okay.
Put your hands down by your side. I'm going to ask you a few questions before we begin, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Any recent head trauma?
No.
Do you wear contacts or glasses?
Yes.
Do you take any medications?
No.
Do you see a doctor or a dentist on a regular basis for anything?
I haven't in like the last 3 years.
Okay. And you're not taking any medications, correct? Is that what you said?
No.
Are you?
She ain't been to the dentist in 3 years? God damn. You ain't been to the dentist in 3 years? Oh boy.
Epileptic or diabetic?
Nope.
Do you take insulin?
No.
Any physical limitations that would prevent you from performing these evaluations?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what I want you to do now is just follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Can you tell me what color that is?
Blue.
Just follow it with your eyes only, and don't move your head, okay? No, try not to move your head, okay? Just use your eyes. We're gonna follow up with our eyes only, and don't move your head, okay? Don't move your head.
Oh, don't move my head. I'm
Just
sorry.
keep it straight, yep. So we're gonna step back down here, watch your step. Do you feel comfortable in your sandals, or do you want to take them off?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, so you see this white line?
Yes.
We're going to use this. I want you to use the edge of this line. Put your left foot on that line. Yep, your left foot on the line, on the edge.
My left foot, yes.
Yeah, on the edge.
Oh,
Not on the center, but on the edge of it. Okay? Put your right foot in front of the other, just like that. Heel to toe. See how my feet are?
Yes.
Keep your hands down by your side and stay in that position until I tell you to begin. When I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line like this. Go ahead and get back in that position. Yep, stay in that position, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line like this. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and get back in that position.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, once you reach your 9th step, you're going to keep that lead foot planted. You're going to take a small series of steps. You're going to turn yourself around, and then you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back down the line like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to your 9th step. Go ahead and get back in that position. So when you be
One right now?
no, you're just in the starting position. Stay in the starting position for me. Stay there. I'm going to explain it to you real fast before you begin. 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Once you start, don't stop until you've completed the evaluation. Once you reach your 9th step, keep that lead foot planted. Take a small series of steps. Turn yourself around, then take 9 heel to toe steps back down the line.
Okay.
Stay in that position, okay?
1.
Don't begin yet.
Okay.
Make sure you keep your hands down by your side. You watch your feet at all times, and you count your steps out loud. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. So,
Okay, now you...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And turn around?
Yep. Okay.
I'm a little off. I know I was.
So, feet together. Hands down by your side. Stay in that position until I tell you to do what to do next. You're going to raise either your left or your right foot. It doesn't matter which one. You're going to raise it 6 inches off the ground, flush with the ground, just like this, keeping your hands down by your side, watching your foot at all times. I want you to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003 until I tell you to stop. If for any reason you put your foot down, say you drop it at 1003, immediately pick it back up and begin counting where you left off. We don't want you to drop your foot, but if you do, pick it back up and begin counting where you left off, okay? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Hands down by your side. Watch your foot at all times and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003. Which foot do you want to raise?
On my left foot.
Okay, you're going to raise your left foot and you're going to keep your right foot on the ground. Don't start yet. Do you have time? Okay, whenever you're ready.
1001, 1002.
Watch your foot.
Does this go right here at height?
Yeah, watch your foot though.
Okay, 1001,
Flush with the ground.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018,
Okay.
1019,
Watch your foot.
1020.
Up,
Okay, you can stop.
Yes, ma'am.
She dipping that head up, man. Keep that chin down. Keep that chin down.
Okay, go ahead and turn and face away from me.
Oh, yeah.
You are being placed under arrest for
Getting some
DUI,
jewelry.
okay? And I'll explain everything to you here in a
Bracelets.
second now about what we got to do next, okay?
Oh, pink. What's that? No. Pink? Oh, yeah,
I'm going to
pink.
go over everything with you, okay?
Like one going to jail.
We're going to talk about that here in a second, okay? Come back
That's
here
a
with
yes.
us. Do you have a phone and a wallet you want to take with you?
Please.
Okay. We'll grab it. Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't.
I'm just going to pat you down, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Just turn face the car.
I don't want to spend the night in jail.
Okay, spread your feet for me.
I don't belong in jail.
Have a seat right there for me.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
hold on one second. Let me get the
Okay.
seatbelt.
I don't want to. I don't belong in jail.
Okay, now you can have a seat there.
Okay.
There you go. Watch your head. So, the next step in this
I
process.
was 3 minutes away from my house.
I get it.
Please, can I go home?
Where's your wallet at?
My wallet's in my car. Can I please go home?
Where's it
I
at?
just want to go home.
I get it.
She just said it's in her car. Maybe
Do
in
you
the
know
purse.
where your
It's in my
wallet's at?
car. It's in my car. It's in my purse. I want to go home.
She said it's in her purse.
Can I please go home if I'm 3 minutes away?
So here's what.
It's funny because, you know, people that have never been to jail, they just know what they see on TV, right? And a lot of times what you see on TV is not jail, it's prison. It's an imitation of prison. You know, these movies and stuff like that, it's typically prison, not jail. You know, jail can be rough too, you know, of course, but that's when you're going over there to the county jail and all that stuff, getting booked, and you there for a little while, you fighting your case and all that stuff. For DUI, she's just gonna go down there, sit in the holding cell, sober up a little bit, and get released. You know, it's not that scary. You know what I mean? It's not. It's you know, you might be able to go down there, talk to Big Bertha. You know what I'm saying? But honestly, she's waiting for them fresh ones that's gonna stay for a little while. You know what I'm saying? First time, maybe you got vehicular manslaughter or something like that. Yeah, she waiting on those guys. You know what I'm saying? That's who she waiting on. You know, first time, young thing, precious, you know, and yeah, it might turn you out or something. Yeah, who knows? But yeah, a lot of times these people for the DUIs and stuff like that, they're always so close to home. You know, they're always within 5 minutes of home or whatever the case may be, man. But if you're going down to the bars, you should have just took a Uber, man. You should have just took a Uber.
What we do next, okay? In the process of all things, I'm going to ask you to provide a breath sample to measure the alcohol content.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Okay.
Are you willing to do that?
Absolutely.
Okay. So we'll go there. We'll blow into the machine. We'll see if there's any alcohol in your system. If not,
There is alcohol in my system. I've been drinking alcohol tonight. I will be honest.
okay. Well, we'll see how much.
I want to go home. I'm 3 minutes away from
Okay.
my house.
If you're under the legal limit, then we'll issue a citation and then we'll have someone come get you. If you're
wanna go
over the
home.
legal limit,
You are killing your lawyer right now. Like damn, zip it. The less you say, the more your lawyer will have a chance to fight. You know what I mean? Like, and get things reduced. You know, things may not be able to get dropped completely, but get things reduced and stuff like that. Like, damn, you keep yapping. Zip it. You're killing your lawyer's defense here, man.
then unfortunately we have to go to jail. Okay? But we'll go get
I don't
a
want to go to
breath.
jail, please.
We'll go provide a breath sample and see what it says. Okay?
I don't want to go to jail. I don't belong in jail.
Let me read this to you, okay? This
I don't
doesn't
belong
mean
with those
anything.
people.
This doesn't mean anything. It's just formality. I have to read this to you, okay? I know it sounds scary. You probably heard it in movies. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and have them with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? Yes or no?
Yes, I
Yeah,
do.
okay. That's just if I have any further questions, I have to read that to you, okay?
Absolutely. I know. But I'm 3 minutes away from
Thank
my
you.
house. Please, I don't want to.
We're going to go to the Cape Coral Police Department. I'm going to have you provide a breath sample.
Please.
Just to provide a
I don't
breath
want to
sample,
go to
okay?
jail. I don't want to be in jail with those people. I don't belong in there.
We'll talk about it on the way to Cape Coral, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
That's just where we do provide the breath sample, okay?
Okay.
We'll go there.
Where's my phone and my purse? What about my car?
I have your phone.
Is this her purse?
Who's driving my car there?
So it'll be towed.
No.
And I will let you know. Is this your wallet?
That is my wallet. May I have my phone or no?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
we'll with you in your
Yeah,
pocket.
we got it.
Yeah, your phone.
I got your phone and I got your wallet. Is there everything in here that you need in your wallet?
I believe so. Is my ID in there? My phone is in the
I have
back of
your
my
ID. I have your ID. You
have
gave
my
it to
ID?
me.
Okay.
Yeah. So your debit card and stuff's in there. Bless you.
Thank you.
So I got your wallet, I got your ID, and I got your phone. We're gonna
I
go
don't
to Cape.
belong in jail.
Okay.
What does she mean by she doesn't belong in jail? There's such a variety of people in jail. Anywhere from unpaid child support to murder. Right? It's such a wide range of people. Some more serious crimes than others. But in her situation, the only difference between her and somebody who like vehicular homicide, or I mean not vehicular homicide, but vehicular manslaughter or something like that, is just that you didn't hit somebody. But you're still drunk. You're still drunk driving on these roads, and somebody could easily be walking or whatever, and you could be swerving, like the officer said, that you were swerving all over the road. What do you mean you don't belong there? Where else do you belong then? Should we just allow you to keep driving drunk on the roads and potentially hit somebody one day? Or should you have to go down there and learn a lesson? People got this misconstrued, man. Jail has people from a wide range of things, man. Like I said, anything from unpaid child support to murder. Does the unpaid child support people deserve to be in there just like the murderers or the robbers or the whatever? They both committed crime. It is what it is. It is what it is.
With the people, I don't think
I understand.
I'm going to shut your phone off so it saves the battery.
And then I'll let you know who's towing your vehicle, okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
Are they gonna keep me in jail overnight?
We'll see what the breath sample does, okay?
They're gonna be in jail overnight.
So let's say you blow over a .08, okay?
Okay.
And we go to jail.
No.
So this is what happens. You stay at the Lee County Jail for 8 hours.
8 hours?
Yep, and then you be arraigned in the morning.
Okay.
So at 10 in the morning.
I don't want to. I don't belong in jail.
But I'm going to be with you for at least the next 2 hours.
Okay. I'm a really good person. I'm in school. I work 2 jobs.
Listen, I don't.
Went out tonight.
I'm sure you're a great person, and I'm not judging you. You can't drink and drive.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
It's dangerous for you and everyone else on the road.
I know. I was 3 minutes away from my house.
She keeps saying that as if that makes a difference. I was 3 minutes away from my house. Who cares? It makes no difference whatsoever, man.